Today, we will navigate you through a DAO profile page at the Dixie DAO Studio. You can get to the DAO profile page via a direct link from the My Profile page or from the list of all DAOs. In the DAO profile page, you can see key information and a selection of tools. First, connect your Web3 wallet and sign the request, verifying that you are its owner. Do not forget to sign up for notifications to be aware of all the relevant actions in your DAO. Select the most convenient way to receive notifications, such as via web push or Telegram. You can choose specific types of notifications that you want to see. In this block, you can see the basic information about the DAO treasury, plus view tokens and NFTs in the different tabs. The graph shows the historical TVL data and the number of DAO members. You can see all of this DAO's basic information in the block on the right. You can always find all the relevant voting parameters on the DAO voting rules page, such as a governance token info, validators, voting model and all other details, configurations and parameters of your DAO. Here, you can find a description of the DAO and official DAO resources, such as the website, social networks, DAO constitution, and so on. Let's look at the Proposals tab. You can see which proposals are active now, which have already passed and been accepted, and which have been rejected. In the following videos, we'll discuss how to properly create a proposal. In the DAO Balance tab, you will see enhanced information on the DAO treasury. By clicking Deposit to DAO Treasury, you can deposit any needed funds to the treasury. Be careful, treasury funds can be withdrawn only via proposals and voting. Below is information on tokens delegated from the treasury and rewards paid to delegates, and vice versa, how many delegates were delegated to this DAO and how many rewards were received. The Holders tab has detailed information about the DAO's holders. You can see all the needed information about every holder, as well as local and global experts. Now that you have seen a sample DAO, how about creating your own in the Dixie DAO Studio?